In my culture, we celebrate with food during Eid. We make some sweets like ma'mool, which about a dough, and we put inside many things like date and nuts. We make also the traditional Jordanian dish called mansaf, which about rice, yogurt, and meat. Typical food that I like to cook are fatair, but my mom cook it better than me. Muslims celebrate twice a year on Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Fitr comes right after the month of Ramadan, in which we fast from sunrise until sunset. The reason behind our fasting this month is to discipline the soul and feel the blessing of God. During these 2 Eids, there is a wonderful atmosphere, such as making sweets, visiting the relative, going to the park, and also buying new clothes. In the future, I hope to open a sweets cafe or work in a place similar to mine and learn more recipes.
Happy birthday حبيبي